Hello everyone, this is Mamta from CAD NEST Nagar. Today we are discuss about the how to scale the object and how to offset the object. This is one object and make a group. This is a one complete object and select the scale by using the points. This is the scale and next one is the offset command. Like suppose this is a one object and make a group. For opening the group, double click on the object. This is for the offset and select the edge and give the offset distance. This is for the okay. For more video, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. Thank you guys.